if you will hire me, this is what I can do in social media management. These are my track record. These are the results. Yada yada yada. Now you will have that information in the process of this training. Ayoko kayong i-overwhelm sa isang meeting lang, ang dami-dami nyo nang nalalaman. No. Nakakabobo yan. Wag! Isa-isa lang. Basta, again, pag mag-apply na tayo dito, sasamahan ko kayo during the application. Tapos, Miss, may interview na ako. Ma-practice na mock calls. Ako yung client. Mga possible questions para ready talaga tayo magharap-harap sa client. Yung confidence is the key. Minsan kasi, I don't know if you will believe, but hindi ako nakapagtapos ng college, first year, first sem, walang naniniwala. Kasi pagkausap ko na si client, nagiging iba yung personality ko. I have multiple personalities. I am different during the training. I am also different during client meeting. I have a job right now that I am the head of the marketing and sales sa Seller X Germany. Lahat ng mga subordinates ko, they're from Germany, Poland, UK, Netherlands. Ako lang yung Filipina, and ako yung head. Pag nag-meeting ako sa kanila, I am a different person. Tapos, iba din ako pag lasing. Iba din ako pag kasama yung mga bakla akong friends. Iba din ako pag nagagalit.
Magtagay kita sa nagmi.
Pero if I drink, dapat lupasay. Hindi yung parang tipsy-tipsy lang, no. Kaya minsan pag umiinom ako, once or twice every year, kasi pag ako talaga inom talagang walang bangon na patay kung patay na inom. Kaya minsan lang. Kasi I have lots of responsibilities. Mga anak ko malalaki na baka sabihin lasinggera si mother. And they're against me smoking from time to time. So, Mama, why are you smoking? The rule is, as long as you are in my house and I pay for your food and your tuition and your clothes, you will do as I ask. But if graduate na kayo, bahala na kayo sa buhay nyo. Mag-inuman pa tayo sa harap ko, dito tayo. I didn't ask your lola or your lolo to buy my bisyo. I am not justifying it. But again, if you want tattoos, right after your first month's salary. Mag-graduate muna kayo, magtrabaho, tapos pag nakasahod na kayo ng first month, lamayas na kayo sa pamamahay ko. Do whatever you want. I don't want to be a burden to my kids. Kasi sa trabahong to, kahit 70 years old, 80 years old ka, as long as you can still see in the computer, as long as you can still execute your job, this is lifetime. Ayokong i-disturb yung mga anak ko na buhayin ako kasi matanda na ako. No. They have their own lives. We have to break generational trauma. Their life. They did not ask na anakin natin. Nabigat tayo. Huy. So it's our responsibility to give them education. Tapos pag-graduate na, layas na, tapos na, ending na. If they will look back to their parents or to me, sabihin na, Mama, bibigyan kita ng bahay kasi ganyan, mabait kang nanay. Uy, sana all. Good, but if not, go ahead, travel.